control settings page is where you define how the EMS interacts with each power source and breaker on your site. Each section represents a specific control functionality that can be configured based on your system architecture. Please note that settings can only be changed when the EMS is stopped.
The Genset Meter section defines how the EMS reads generator measurements, including power, voltage, and frequency, to monitor genset activity and performance. It also determines how the EMS detects whether each generator is currently running or stopped. It's important to assign the correct device role when adding your meter in the network page. If you don't see your Genset meter in this list, please check that its role has been correctly defined as a Genset meter. Select how the EMS detects if a Genset is on. In power-based mode, the system considers a Genset active when its output power exceeds a set percentage of its rated capacity, for example, 22%. In frequency-based mode, the generator is considered running when the measured frequency rises above the configured threshold. These parameters ensure accurate state detection across different generator types and scenarios. Next, assign each meter to its corresponding generator. Each genset must have a dedicated meter input for accurate measurement. In other words, one genset meter corresponds to one generator. If your site includes both a Genset controller and a Genset meter for the same physical generator, the EMS will interpret them as two distinct gensets, since one device provides control while the other provides measurement. Therefore, make sure your configuration reflects the intended setup to avoid duplication. That's how you configure Genset meters in Econ, defining how the EMS detects and monitors each generator based on power or frequency inputs. With these settings, the system accurately tracks generator activity and power contribution. In the next episode, we'll configure multi-purpose I/O modules to interface with breakers and site protection systems.